What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. As you probably know, we're continuing this Flask tutorial series, and in the last tutorial we learned about how to handle HTTP requests. And in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to render HTML template instead of this simple text. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to create a templates folder. Templates. Why do we create this folder? Because Flask knows that all the files under this folder are going to be displayed after you have some kind of requests. And let's comment this out so we can easily work on another code. And let's create a basic file here. Let's call this index.html, and let me paste this simple HTML scaffold. And let's say this message is from HTML file, and let's run our server. Before we run our server, let's see how we can render this template. To do that, we need to import a method called render template, and in this index function we'll return this method, return render template, and template, and we'll just pass the file name, which is index.html. Flask already knows where the file is located, so we just tell the file name. And let's run this and we can see if it works. Okay, let's go to that IP address, import, and as you can see, this message comes here on our display, which means it's working. Great. Now another thing about this is that you can pass variables as a parameter. Let's say I pass my name, Oktam, and I can display it in this file. And how do we do that? There are two ways. The first one, you can use the passed parameters as I type like this. You put two curly braces, and in between you use that variable name. Let's print my name in both ways. Another way is that you can use Python scripts. For example, as you remember, we can use print statement to print out any string variable or int or whatever. So it should hopefully print my name twice. Let's refresh. My name has been displayed twice. In real world projects, you usually use CSS templates, and we need to connect that by using URL building function. But where do you store your CSS files? Well, you of course store them in this static folder. You should make a static folder, and let's create a file. Let's call this stylus.css, and let's write some basic code. Let's say change the background maybe and yellow. Now how do we connect it? We don't just say static and stylus.css. This is okay, but in production, or you make the server run correctly, you should use a method which is URL for, and we will say the main directory, which is static, and then we put comma and we say the file name, which is stylus.css, and it should hopefully make the background yellow. Oh, sorry, the second parameter we should tell it is file name, not anything else. So we say file name equals styles. Let's run that. As you can see, the background has been changed. That's the way we use static files. You can insert whatever static file you like this way. So that's it, guys. That's what I'm going to share you today, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And if you like this video, please show your respect by liking this video, and see you guys in the next videos.